These 5 habits will fix 80% of your problems. Caution: if you do not implement this, that's on you. Number 1. Plan your day the night before. Planning your day the night before is an incredibly popular productivity strategy. Get everything ready for the morning. Things seem simpler when everything is planned and handy. If something takes S minutes or less, do it. If you can do something that takes less than 5 minutes, do it right away. Getting those simple tasks done right away prevents a lot of clutter and stress later on. Create a morning ritual. Have a morning ritual for yourself. Practice waking up early. Make time for exercise. Make time for meditation. The more you practice it, the more your life gets better. Follow the 80-20th rule. Invest most of your energy and time on those specific tasks that creates the big impact and maximizes your productivity. 20% of the tasks yield 80% of the results. Get enough rest. Without enough rest, you can't improve your life. Not getting enough rest makes you cranky and reduces your ability to concentrate. Remember, if you're seeking to elevate your relationships, finances, and health, take a walk on the mastery path. Accelerate your journey and unlock new levels of success and fulfillment. It's time to step into your potential and create a life that truly thrives. Follow us and let the transformation begin. Stop scrolling TikTok for 1 second. Grab your free self-reflection guide, link in bio. You won't regret it.